We are all. Let's start with the second example of Laplace transform. It's find the Laplace transform of e to the power minus 8t. Sorry. Of x of t is equal to minus e to the power minus 8t u of minus t. Okay, and find its ROC. So similarly, from the formula itself, we'll find that x of s is equal to minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus 8, x of t e to the power minus s of t dt. Now here x of t is equal to minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus 8t minus u of minus t into e to the power minus s of t dt. I just substituted the x of t values. Now what is u of minus t? U of minus t is actually u of t. I already told you it's a unit function which goes from 0 to this is u of t. If I find u of minus t, means instead of 1 it will become minus 1, instead of 2 it will become minus 2. Okay, so my u of minus t will become u of minus t will become 0. It goes to minus infinity. Okay, this will be my t value. So I'll substitute the limits accordingly. It will go from minus t to 0 minus e to the power minus 8t. I'll not write this one anymore because I've already substituted it in limit, and the unit and the value is 1. Okay, so u of t is 1 from limit of this much to minus infinity to 0. E of minus s of t dt. So for this it will become, I'll take the minus outside just for convenience. It will become minus infinity to 0 e to the power minus s plus a t dt, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by minus s plus a, okay, e to the power minus s plus a t, limits from minus infinity to 0. So this one and this one will get cancelled. So I'll get s plus a, okay, e to the power minus 0 minus e to the power minus and minus, it becomes plus infinity. Okay, so because of the existence of this plus infinity component, your whole value will actually become infinity. Okay, but there's a special case here that if your s of a is less, if s plus a is less than 0, okay, if s of a, this exponential component, if it is less than 0, which means this whole component will be negative. If it's less than a, this whole component will be negative. So that negative component with this negative will become positive, and if you substitute it with this negative, it will become e to the power minus infinity. So if s plus a is less than 0, my x of s will become 1 by s plus a e to the power minus 0 minus e to the power minus infinity. Okay, remember this condition is applicable only if s is less than 0. If it's greater than 0, okay, the whole x of s will become infinity. Okay, remember that. Okay, so this will be typically 0, this will become 1, so it becomes x of s is equal to 1 by s plus a, keeping in mind that your s plus a should be less than 0. So for ROC, what we'll do here is my s plus a should be less than 0. So my real of s, because actually in ROC only the real value of s, only the sigma is counted, should be less than minus a. So my ROC will be plotted this way. So this is my j omega axis, this is my sigma axis. Real of s means it's a strip greater than less than minus a. So if my minus a is here, if this is a point in my minus a, okay, it will be less than minus a. It will be the left side of the of your S plane. Kindly subscribe to the channel and like it. Thank you so much.